High above the garden, the sun beams down its golden light upon a vibrant green leaf. To us, it is just a leaf, but inside, a marvelous transformation is about to begin. Meet the chloroplasts, tiny structures found inside many of the leaf's cells where photosynthesis takes place. They are waiting for their most important ingredient, the radiant energy of the sun. Sunlight strikes the leaf, where chlorophyll inside the chloroplasts absorbs its energy like a microscopic solar collector. Meanwhile, the plant drinks water from the soil, pulling it up through its thirsty roots. Inside the chloroplasts, light energy helps split water molecules, producing oxygen that eventually escapes into the air. We breathe that oxygen every day, a gift from the plants that share our world. The leaf also takes in carbon dioxide through microscopic pores called stomata. Now, the factory is in full swing, mixing sunlight, water, and air with incredible precision. Let's look at a simple experiment that can make photosynthesis visible. Place a small sprig of an aquatic plant in a clear container filled with water. Put it under bright light and watch the leaves closely. After a while, tiny bubbles may begin forming and rising from the plant. These bubbles are mainly oxygen released as photosynthesis takes place. Light energy is converted into chemical energy stored in sugars. These sugars provide energy and materials for the plant to grow, from roots and leaves to beautiful flowers. It is a silent, beautiful process that happens in every forest, field, and backyard garden. Without this process, life on Earth would not have the energy it needs to thrive. Using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, plants build their own food. It is a perfect cycle, a partnership between the bright sun and the humble leaf. Next time you walk past a tree, remember the busy factories working inside its leaves. They are turning golden light into the very essence of life, one leaf at once. Nature is truly the greatest engineer, crafting sustenance from nothing but light and thin air. Observe the way a plant reaches toward the window, always seeking that vital, warm glow. It knows that light is the key to its survival and its beautiful, steady growth. The chloroplasts continue their work, humming with the invisible energy of the bright afternoon sun. Every cell is a testament to the efficiency of nature's own internal food production system. The water in our jar continues to sparkle with the tiny bubbles of released oxygen. It is a small window into a massive, global operation that sustains our entire planet. So, take a deep breath of fresh air and thank the green world around you. Plants capture sunlight, store its energy, and help power life across our planet. It is a quiet, constant miracle that happens right under our noses every single day. From the smallest blade of grass to the tallest oak, photosynthesis is the secret engine. Keep exploring the wonders of nature, for there is always more to learn and see. The sun sets, the factories rest, and the cycle prepares to begin again tomorrow morning.